Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is part 3 of the shirt pattern series. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draft the sleeve and the sleeve cuff. So for this video, you're going to need the sleeve block. So to start, go ahead and trace around your sleeve block onto a sheet of paper. Okay, so now we're going to shorten the sleeve by the depth of your cuff. And this again all depends on the design of your shirt. I simply went with 4 centimeters. So now draw in your new sleeve hem using a curved ruler, and don't forget to mark out that old hem just so that you don't get confused between the two. So next you need to narrow the wrist by 2.5 centimeters, and then using your ruler you're going to draw in new side seams by joining the new hem point to the top of your sleeve block. So now using a curved ruler, we're going to slightly shape the sleeve by 0.5 centimeters. So lastly, you need to mark in the back opening on the sleeve hem. This point is midway between the center line and the side seam. And that is the sleeve pattern done. All you need to do now is add your information, and then we'll move on to the shirt sleeve cuff. So for the cuff, we're going to draw a straight line down the page and mark in a starting point. So from the starting point, we're going to measure down double the depth of your cuff and mark in this point. So now using a ruler, just draw a straight line out from the starting point and the point that you just marked in. So from either point, you're going to measure out the wrist measurement plus 5 centimeters, and then draw a straight line up or down depending on which point you measured out from, and this is going to basically create a rectangle shape. So now we're going to add a 1.5 centimeter underwrap for your buttons, and we're going to do this onto the side of the rectangle. So now divide the rectangle in half and draw in your fold line. So back at the underwrap, we're actually going to need to mark in our buttons. Again, this all depends on your design. I simply added 2 buttons evenly measured onto the cuff. You could go with 1 button, you could go with 3 buttons. It all depends on you and your design. So using the same measurement, I marked in the buttonholes directly opposite the buttons. And that is the cuff finished. So it's actually quite straightforward for this one. So go ahead now and mark in all your information. So now you've got all the pieces that you need to make your own shirt. And I really hope you found this little series helpful. If you did, please hit that like button as it really supports my channel, and don't forget to subscribe for weekly pattern videos. If you have any recommendations for videos or patterns that you'd like to see, let me know down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!